You can see my nipples in this. Hey everyone, I just discovered that my nipples are so visible in this top. So I'm just going to strategically cover them because like I'm all about free the nipple, but I don't want it to show through unless they're hard. But they're not right now. So I'm just gonna do that. God, my areoles, my pepperonis. But I still like the detail of this top, so I'm just gonna do that. Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing a good old-fashioned makeup video. This video is gonna be full of products that I've purchased myself, so things that I've gone and wanted to spend my money on. Being a beauty vlogger, I'm extremely spoiled and I get sent so much makeup from so many of my favorite brands, but there are still some products out there that I see and I go, I want that. And so I was feeling a bit Devo this month. Devo is short for devastated, and so I've been feeling like Depresso, Devo. So I went out and I bought myself some stuff and it made me feel a bit better. Sebastian has been very understanding, but I have a problem. I have a shopping problem and that is not being addressed lightly. Oh, but I would like to give you guys, someone that's watching this, a little present. This is a spare Laura Mercier translucent powder. In order to win this, it's really easy. Make sure you're watching this video within the first 24 hours and then leave a comment. And of course that means you've got to be subscribed and have the notifications on so that you get the notification of this video either in your alerts or in your emails. But yeah, someone will win that. I just need to see the comment in the comment section and I'll pick someone to win this. Okay, cool. So as you can see, I ended up with a green look and I like it. You wear green to be seen, and I'm not gonna be seen because we're in quarantine. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead because I'm starting to drop rhymes. We're just gonna chat, talk about makeup, do a look, have fun, and that's what it's gonna be. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep watching. I haven't done a haul in probably years, it feels like, so I thought I would share with you some new products that I bought recently and do a full face of it and just hang out. Now, I actually bought this on Sephora because I wanted a new powder. This is the Giorgio Armani number 4. I just thought it looked so slick. And it comes with a little brush, so it's good for the purse. Not that I'm going anywhere to have a purse, but you know. I'm gonna do a Jackie Aina and prime with this. So I've already moisturized, so I'm gonna use my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 Air. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. This is a new one. Like it's a freshie. Never been used. I know you're meant to wash them, but does anyone do that? Does anyone actually wash their brushes before they go to use them? You're lying. So yeah, I already moisturized, but then I'm gonna powder because I want to be matte today. I don't want to be oily. And as you can see, my skin is being really stupid. Really dumb. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Dior Nude Skin Nude Air foundation. Oh, I've already used this. How did I not realize that they've even made the squeezy part silver? That's just the fancy stuff I live for, you know? I live for the fancy. Do you know what I was thinking? This foundation smells like my nan in a really good way. It just smells like that classic makeup smell. I feel like this is a good foundation for summer because it's just so thin. It's like water, you know? Same brush because I'm so lazy. I literally, whenever a brush is dirty, I just fill it, put it in this bag, and look how big the bag is, and that I haven't washed all these brushes. These need to be washed. Woe is me. But last time I had to wash my brushes, Sebastian surprised me by doing them for me. And that is why I haven't divorced him yet. Sebastian edits my videos, so he's gonna hear this. Babe, I love when you wash my brushes. Please do it again. Now, I don't think I got anything for that's a lie. I did get stuff for eyebrows. Where is it? This is what I bought. I actually really like it, guys. It's the Mad Eyes Brow Framer from Guerlain. And I purchased it because I was like, that is for brows? Really? Like, look at that. Isn't that odd? I just thought it was really weird. So it's the Natural Volume Fiber Brow Gel. So I've used it 2 or 3 times now. What I tend to do is press quite firmly and get the product through the whole brow and then brush up. I like the color. I like how it's one step. I don't have to use all the other stuff. And I actually don't normally go for high-end brow products, as you probably know. So yeah. Now I bought myself the Kendall palette from Kylie Cosmetics and I've been wanting to use it. I thought the colors were so pretty and I actually really like the Kylie palettes, the new ones. I actually got rid of all those original ones, you know, the Kai palettes, the original Kai palettes, I got rid of them. But I like all her new ones, like the Balmain one was really nice, the birthday one was really nice, and then I also like the colors in this one as well. So whenever I see something from Kylie that I want, I just get it. And the shipping is always really fast and I like it. Now, okay, I listened to you guys. In my last video, I did a review on the KVD primer, the shake one, and you asked me to compare it. So I'm going to do one side with the original eye primer that everyone probably has, the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and then I'll do the other side with the KVD Shake Primer. You have to take off the lid before you shake it, because as we learnt in my review, it separates really fast. So put some there. Let's do this side with the water primer or the shake primer. Now I'm not going to go into this too much because I've done a whole video on it. Go with this one. Just quickly, the brush glides over the KVD side better. I'll take some of the green. Some of the shimmery chartreuse. It's definitely way easier to blend on the eye with KVD, but I think that the color is slightly brighter on this eye. All right, I'll take Loyal. Lol, I told myself I was gonna do a neutral look, and then I went for the green. These eyeshadows are kind of powdery in the pan, but they come out really nice on the eyes. Darker brown. I like this color, it's called Brunettes Do It Better. I'm gonna take some of November 3 on my finger. It's that shimmery rose gold color. Oh damn. I really like the formula of her eyeshadows. Every time I use her eyeshadows, it comes out great. I'll take that bony color called Model Energy. Love You Sister. Cool, I'm gonna close that palette now. I feel like I'm done with that. Next step, take a sip of your tea. I feel like there's a bit of eyeshadow in there. Well, there's equal fallout on both eyes from that palette. So both of the primers performed really well. I feel like the colors are more precise on the eye with the KVD primer, but they look really good on this side as well. Okay. Giorgio Armani Smooth Silk Eye Pencil. So it's a brown. Just gonna use that. Then I'm tapering it into the inner part. Such a nice soft pencil. And then I'll use the other side to just very slightly smudge it. And a mascara that I purchased is the Chanel Le Volume de Chanel, which is lovely. I've used it a few times now and I was super impressed. But you can get the same effect from more affordable mascaras for sure. I bought this Chanel concealer and I'm not actually a huge fan. It's this little palette, essential palette. So it's got a concealer, a highlight and a color. So you can put that on your cheeks or your lips or whatever. But I'm not impressed by the concealer and the highlight's a little bit too thick. So like if I put that on my blemish, it doesn't really do that good a job, I don't feel. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? It's, ooh! Oh my god, did you just see that? It's fine for under the eyes, but if you've got like hefty blemishes that you're trying to cover, it will not go there, girlfriend. It will not hit the spot there. I think when I was on Nordstrom, I just knew I wanted to get a bunch of Chanel stuff. And so I just organized all the Chanel products by highest rated. And I got this just because it caught my eye, not because it was highest rated. Does a decent job for around my eye area because I don't have too bad dark circles, so fine for me. Good for a like decent little touch-up palette, or maybe if I was traveling or on vacation, but it's not something I'm gonna reach for my blemishes, that's for sure. I'm gonna put lashes on, but I'll do it in a minute. Oh, actually I'll put them on. I know, I'll use the Raw Beauty Christy lashes. I've been meaning to do a video with her product, but I don't really do many YouTube videos anymore. And I've been feeling super depressed, so I haven't really filmed anything in the last couple weeks. But I'm gonna put her lashes on. Ooh, these feel so nice. So they're by Pure, and oh my gosh, they feel incredibly light. They're cruelty free, up to 30 wears. Don't mind if I do. So I'm gonna put them on. I just clipped off the outer two clusters, but I'm gonna put them back in the packet because I might be able to use them at a later date for something. You never know, like reduce, reuse, recycle. That's what we say in 2020. Okay, I just put the lashes on, and I have not worn false eyelashes in a long time, like literally months. Where did that, oh, here. And it honestly feels like too much. I do think that these are dramatic lashes already, and I definitely err toward more natural lashes, but they are super comfortable and they do not feel heavy and stiff like most of those really stacked lashes, even though they have that stacked lash effect. That's how they look. Now that I've got lower mascara on, and I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on, Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill lacquered eyeliner, just to cover up the lash band a little bit. It's really hard to do your eyeliner over such large eyelashes. Oh god, I really can't even see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna end up with such huge eyeliner. I'm so annoyed. Well, I've gone full Instaglam today. Some days it just really do be like that. Oh, it's hot in here. I'm just gonna take off my cardigan for a sec. Look how long my hair is getting. Goodness gracious. About my shoulders, that's how much it's grown in quarantine. Holy mackerel. Now it's time to unbox some of my new products that I just got in the mail yesterday. So I ordered from the Gucci website, and it came very fancily in these nice bags. There's seriously one item per bag. That is so excessive. And the lipsticks come with their own bag. That's so not necessary. And then in a plastic bag. Great. I feel bad already. I'm sorry, everyone. I feel like I need to apologize for the amount of excess. So this is what I got. Lipstick in Blaze of Noon, which is a nude. Ooh, okay, so this one is a bronzer. Let's hope that it's okay, yay. So I purchased this bronzer. I got it in shade number 2. Oh my god, it's beautiful, what the heck? And then in there is a little brush. Oh my god, worth it. This is the like experience that I live for, you know? I wish it wasn't as excess packaged, but... Oh, and then I got another lipstick. This one is called Odile Red. There's a little fluff on it. My lipstick is not pristine, let it be known. Do you see it? Validate me. Can you see it there? It's just not perfect, but it's all right. It's not enough for me to return it. It's okay. So for this look, in order to evade looking like a Christmas elf, I'm not going to use a red lipstick. Let's powder our skin with the Giorgio Armani powder. And my skin just, you know, the blemishes. But I don't want to use that Chanel thing, just doesn't cover it enough. So I'm going to use my old NARS one that is great for concealing your blemishes. So I'll just pat that on. Okay, now I'll powder that. I like this powder because it doesn't make me too matte. Sigma Soft Blend 60 in the Gucci. Wow, a lot's coming off on the brush. Of course it smells good. Ooh, very nice. good. I mean, you'd want it to be. Okay, I also purchased this Lime Crime Freckle pen from Revolve. And this one's a felt. Oh, I like it. That looks pretty natural. This one's in amber, I think it's called. Yeah, amber. I like that. And then Freck also came out with an XL one, which I also bought on Revolve. So I'm gonna use these to make, you know, a couple of darker freckles. So I really love that you can use all these new freckle products in conjunction with one another to get a really realistic freckle effect, right? Because freckles are not all the same color. Some of them are darker, some of them are lighter. So it's cool, you can do all that. And everyone asked me to do a video with the ColourPop freckle pen. I think I'll do that on Instagram because I want this video to be about products that I've purchased myself. And so, oh, but I just realized my eyelashes are not bought myself, but you know, supporting Christy. Like I said, I'm gonna use the nude, and it is the Gucci Blaze of Nude. Blaze of Noon? Blaze of Noon. I love it. That is such a good nude color for me. Yes, I did good, sweetie. Snaps for Chloe. Another Chanel product that I purchased was this really nice highlighter called the Sculpting Baume Essential. And it's a really nice, sheer, glowy highlighter. Comes in a stick, and because I've already powdered, I'm gonna pat it on with my finger, and oh yes! That's doing the things that I wanted it to do to me. It's doing things that Sebastian can't do to me, that no one can do to me except makeup. That is why makeup will be my first love. Because it just hits the spot. This is the magic stick. 50. Sorry, Seba. I feel like out of all the Chanel products I purchased, this one is my favorite. They also had a clear one, and I wanted to get that, but it sold out while it was in my cart. So we're not gonna talk about that. And I didn't get any blushes, but in this palette, this Chanel palette, you're meant to be able to use that as blush. So I'm just gonna do that. And I can actually see myself like packing this in, if we ever fly ever again, in, you know, my travel bag, or my handbag, and like touching up by the pool. But I can see that happening, and I quite like that. Now, something else I'm gonna quickly do, just super quickly, is I'm gonna contour my nose. What do we think? I'm done, I'm complete. I did it. I like it, I did it, I like it. Is that Ariana Grande song? I did it, I like it. I don't think that is. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. Okay, pretty much. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want to win the Laura Mercier powder and puff. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and over on my Instagram. Please follow me there, and my Twitter. Also, I just want to call attention to my new channel header. Have you seen it? Doesn't it look slick? And also the end card to my videos. I had someone design a really cool end card, so now at the end of my videos, this nice little card comes up and it says, watch my next video, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, I'm excited, cool things are happening. 2020 is really hard, I know that. I know it's tough right now, but I hope that my channel can bring a little light into your day. And thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.